Hi everyone! Today I am going to make an egg sandwich. I will be using bread that I bought from the Asian bakery. Did you know that breads from the Asian bakeries actually have a lot more sugar? So that's the reason why it's light and fluffy. And I will be mixing it with mayo and some onion. So you can be using red onion or green onion, whichever that you like. And we'll be also using curry powder, sweet paprika powder with some salt and pepper. So here are all my ingredients. Okay, so here are 5 eggs that I've taken out from the fridge. Make sure when you boil them that they are at room temperature, and we will boil them for about 7 minutes. After that, we are going to shell the eggs and mash them together with this Tommy mayonnaise. This is a brand that is from Germany and to me is superior and worth the extra money that you pay for this mayo. We will also be mixing it with some chopped onions, curry powder, sweet paprika powder, and some salt. And we'll top it off with some pepper. Then we're just going to spread it on the bread. Can you see that the bread is actually a different texture? It's much fluffier, and I can even smell the sweetness from here. So let's get cooking.